Abezomthetho bagasele emabhizinisini ahlukene enkabeni yedolobha laseThekwini. Amaphoyisa ayahambisana nababhekele ukuthengiswa kotshwala KwaZulu-Natal bashaqe impahla ezindaweni ezimbalwa. Kuboshwe abantu abali-17 kwahlawuliswa nezindawo ekade isebenza ngaphandle kwezincwadi ezigunyaza ukuthengisa utshwala. Mgungundlovu iphathimandla beyikhathazekile ngokuthola abantu bengayifakile ifonyo kanye namabhizinisi angaqiniseki ukuphepha kwabathengi. Kuboshwe abantu abali-10 abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
There are about 10 that have already been arrested, but those are those that are coming from outside the country. But I realize that most of the people, they purport to be selling something and they are selling something else.
Wonke amabhizinisi angayilandeli imigomo yeCOVID-19 Azovalwa.
There's absolutely no social distancing, and when you go in there, there's nobody who's ready to take accountability. There's this phenomenon of an absentee manager with chairs being rented out. Each hairstylist, if I may call it that way, rents out a chair, and each stylist has the customer plus others around, and it's really packed with absolutely no regard for social distancing. So that's the primary purpose. Of course, liquor abuse has been identified as a key secondary factor.
Lohlelo lokubambisana kulindeleke ukuba liqhubeke kulesikhathi samaholide ukusiza ukunqanda iCOVID-19 kanye nokuqinisekisa ukuthi amabhizinisi asebenza ngokusemthethweni.